Achieving a flat stomach involves reducing body fat through a balance of calorie intake and physical activity. Strengthening core muscles through targeted exercises is essential for abdominal definition. Minimizing bloating through improved digestion and posture contributes to a flatter stomach appearance. The 10-minute workout comprises 5 exercises, each performed for 40 seconds with 20 seconds of rest, repeated twice. High knees and mountain climbers boost heart rate and burn calories while engaging the core. Plank with shoulder taps, bicycle crunches, and reverse crunches enhance core stability and target different abdominal muscles. Drinking water before and after workouts aids digestion and reduces bloating, supporting workout results. A balanced diet, rich in lean protein and high-fiber vegetables, complements a 10-minute workout routine. Improving posture by standing taller can instantly make the stomach appear flatter, enhancing the visual impact of workouts.